So the idea of this project was to reinstall these sun sails. They were originally taken down because the two trees on the right were cut down, and so we had to figure out how we can put them back up again. So my idea was to use a post from a cut down tree. So the first thing to do was to find a suitable tree, so I found one that was pretty straight, and I cut that down and started to prepare it to put in the ground.
Well, what you doing?
Removing the bark.
Why?
It's just a thing to do.
So he can then burn it and sink it into the ground as a post.
Dang it, I'm already in the sun.
Why you did that?
Why?
Put it in a fire.
Because to
Get a bark off.
no, I took the bark off already. But to make sure there's some protection from moisture in the ground when we put it in the ground.
Yo. Go do your marshmallow. Well, only if Daddy says it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, there you go.
That is toast.
Let's see. Oh, stay still. Wow, that's a nice and toasty one.
Here, Mom.
Thank you.
The idea with the hole is that you're supposed to have at least a third of the post in the ground to make sure it's secure. So I started digging down, and the first part was mostly just sand, which isn't bad, but then all the roots are in there, so it's really tough to cut through. But after the sand, there's actually a mix of clay. So the clay was actually easy to cut into. So it got to about 4.5 feet. Put it in. You want it to stay in the position, right? Flies everywhere.
When are we gonna put it in?
Just let me finish this.
Okay. Fastening. You can play with it. Here.
Okay, what does it say on the side?
4-2.
What?
4-2.
It is about 4.5 feet. Now measure Kara.
Is it?
Oh.
How are we gonna get that out?
I don't know, Isaiah. Why do you drop it down there?
Well.
All right.
No, don't poke that.
So here's the plan.
Listen to
Try and
Daddy.
pull it
Stop
around and put the ends near the hole. Okay.
Then we'll just have to lift it up
And
and
then we have to lift it up. It's going to be difficult to do that. Okay.
Kara, stay back.
There's nails right here, so you just have to be careful of these. Should be able to tilt it like that. You need it to go that way a little bit. I need your help too with this.
I'm here.
and I'll help too.
How about when it gets stood up?
Can you go up to where it is? Like? Go here.
Yeah, come on. You got a long way to go. There you go.
Wow, that was
I thought I said you to cut some off of it. You're like, no.
see. It's got flat bottom, right?
I think it's leaning towards you.
Yeah, it is. That's why I said push it up.
Can I push more? I mean,
It's too late now.
can't, it's hard to tell because the log does go like this as well. Like it has a bend in it.
Only that. Otherwise it's straight here.
Wait.
Okay, that would be pretty cool this way.
Okay.
Okay, it's good. Yeah, I don't think we'll have an issue once this is all packed in. And it's a good anchor, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, if we're doing this properly, we would have got some gravel, put it in the bottom, and then done cement all around the top of the foam stuff here. Since this is just a fun project.
Fun, you hear that, kids? It's a fun project.
Yeah, this is fun. Push it. Hold the rest of it.
So we installed our pole, we're down to 4.5 feet in the ground. Dug a hole down. So then the pipe's going to go into the ground. Stuck some nails in to kind of resist any twisting when it gets from the ropes. And now we're ready to install the eye screw and hook up the ropes and see how it does. I can wobble it a little bit, but that's just the wood bending, it's not moving down below. Pressed all the soil down underneath each time we put a few scoops of clay and sand back. Hopefully it'll work. Bit of a bend in it, that's going to be pulled when we have the rope tension on it. So here's our tree in the ground from a different angle now. How high is it? About 18 feet?
Well,
It's 18 minus the 4.5.
Yeah.
All the way down to there. So the plan is to hook up this sail, shade sail or shade cloth, hook up that to it, and then we also have another one down here that we're going to hook up to it as well. Hopefully that creates some shade here for the cabin. See how it goes.
We won't get you new one. Like do settings and hammer it in a setting. Mom.
I don't have a nail for you to hammer, sweetheart.
Inside.
Yeah, but not on the decking.
Why?
How do you think Grandpa will feel if you hammer his decking?
I'm mad.
It doesn't need a nail there. It's already put together very nicely. Yeah?
Yeah.
We can tell Grandpa when he comes, Kara thinks you should have a nail in your decking. See what he says.
Yes or no?
I think you know the answer, huh?
No.
Yeah, you're right. Yay!
Yeah.
I mean, I wish they were spaced evenly, but
I mean,
So here they are attached to the tree now. It's holding quite happily. It's kind of a, still got the lean in even with the tension on. So that one's in front of the cabin there. And then this one, it's got a bit of a dip, so we're trying to figure out what we can do to try and help it. Got the two sails here. Yeah, possibility we can join it to that one there, or over here. We can join these, try and pull them so they're more taut, but we'll see what that does with the tension of the other sail. Okay, we've got most of that sag out. There's still a little bit there, but I just tied these two here with the paracord, so it's pulled it in a little bit. So here we are, all three sails up. I ended up attaching this one up to the oak tree here.
Pine tree.
Oh yeah, pine tree. And then coming over here, so that's the first sail. Actually, if you get another sail here, we could put one coming out from the sides here and here and come into this tree here, and that'll create a shade on this side of the house too. Right now the picnic table can be over here since it's undercover. So this one's attached to the small tree here, and that small tree is attached to that tree at the back to give it strength. And then we got the 3 points attaching to this corner here, and then the red one on the other side. So the two that are going to the post, they're attached just like that. So if we come out this way and turn around, the front of the cabin is just sheltered with the red one, and then the rest of the shelter is to the left here.
In the breeze.
In the breeze, apparently. So, yeah, try to avoid the fire pit. So the fire pit didn't have to be moved, and that still can be used, and that won't affect the sail at all. Or the shade, not the sail. So the post is 4.5 feet down. It's burnt up to where it's entering the ground. And it's been compressed in with there's clay down the bottom and then sand mixed with clay coming up to the top. Yeah, nice and sturdy. It wobbles a little bit, but I mean it's very tall. Anisha likes it, right, love?
Yeah. Yes, I like there's a shady, breezy area with the picnic table.
Yeah. That's it. That's our job done. We're leaving. See ya.